Hey, I'm Paul, the Technical Director of Child Restraint Systems here at UPPAbaby. That means I oversee all the technical aspects of car seat development. First up, we've got the brand new Mesa Max infant car seat. We've made a few improvements to make this the ultimate choice in safety and comfort. We've added a load leg, European belt routing, anti-rebound plus panel, infinite adjust headrest, and a brand new infant insert. Thank you for watching. Please be sure to check out the rest of the Mesa Max videos in the series.